2012 Ford Fusion. Issue that I think a lot of them are having is inside the door. The lovely door handle breaks right in that area, so it has no way to actuate itself. Here's the wonderful new part. All pristine and chrome. This product is made by a company called Dorman. There's a part number if you need it. And the process of taking it out and putting it in is pretty simple. When you take the unit out, it'll be bolted here with one simple bolt. Cable with a little hammer end goes in here, like so, and that just snaps into place with a lot of force. Okay, that goes back in there. Let's see, here's my bolt. Okay, I recommend before you put everything back together, testing it, making sure everything works properly. Of course, there's a door panel inside, so I can't sit on the inside, and we have a door that now opens. The customer is going to be extremely happy. All right, now it's just a matter of putting the door panel back together. Making sure to hook up any lights if there are any. Get your wires in correct placement. Okay. There's the wires for the door lock, which is correctly right there. Make sure you hear the audible click. Okay. And it works properly. Okay, next you have a retainer down here, which will go into there. And you have a series of plugs to reconnect. The green, the white, and the gray. Make sure to hear the click on each one. That way you don't have it accidentally come undone. Now this one I use a 7mm bolt for. Okay. And then there is a cover piece. Okay. That leaves two Torx head. They are T20s. One that goes to hold the filler for the latch itself in. That has a small actually, hold on, I think I used the wrong screw there. There's two others that retain the door panel. I think they're longer. Yep. The short one is the one that you use in the cover plate. And then of course there's a little one. This one looks like it's been taken out quite a few times. Okay, and then last but not least, we have one that is down in that area, and then on the side of the door, one right there. And that completes this job. If you've enjoyed this video or it's been helpful, please hit like and have a great day. Again, this is a 2012 Ford Fusion.